Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2015 Honda CB500F. This bike has 6,900 miles and is offered for $44.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is a great upright mid-range sport bike that Honda came out with a couple years ago. We put brand new tires on it. In addition, the previous customer had added a center stand. You see right there, which is a nice feature when you want to lube the chain or do some basic maintenance on it. Our service department's gone through it, given it a clean bill of health, did an oil change, a safety check, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.